ওনার শালা একজন তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের নেতা, উনি দেখা সাক্ষাৎ উনি হাইকোর্টকেও পুছেন না, সুপ্রিম কোর্টকেও পুছেন না, তুমি চলে যাও ভাই, দেখা করবে না। পার্সোনালি I personally
He
visited.
says he personally went over there. I'll take his affidavit and put your officer to jail. Let him understand what things are.
Your Lordship, there is possibilities of further harassment if I visited there.
I will see. Let us see who can harass whom.
Applicant, my lord.
Appellant?
Applicant.
Applicant. What is the application for?
The content or application, my lord.
Petitioner. Yes.
My lord, as
I
per the-
tender by unconditional, unqualified apology, my lord, for not complying the court's order, my lord, in due time, my lord. I am praying for, my lord, 7 days time, my lord, to comply.
That means
But
the order can be complied within 7 days, but deliberately not complied with.
if your lordship, my lord, kindly permits me, my lord,
No permission. I am heavily imposing costs. Let them pay. They earn a lot of money. Let them spend some money
kindly allow me, my lord.
for,
This is resolution taken yesterday.
like, keep your resolution with you.
Kindly have me, my lord, 2 minutes, my lord, 2 minutes, my lord. Whatever, my lord, they have misunderstood your lordship, my lord.
Misunderstood.
Absolutely. Kindly see, my lord, your lordship has passed an order, my lord, directing the Pradhan, my lord, to consider the representation to be filed by the petitioner regarding unauthorized construction. What, my lord, this Pradhan, my lord, assumed charge, my lord, on, my lord, I'm telling you, lordship, my lord, on 11th of August 2023. He became the Pradhan, my lord, on 11th of August 2023. But I am not.
Are you representing the earlier Pradhan also?
No. I am not representing. I am representing a new Pradhan. My lord, what he has done, my lord, I am the lordship, my lord, can you see, my lord, that resolution, my lord? Now, my lord, construction regarding unauthorized construction, now it has become a land dispute. My lord's client is saying that his land has been encroached by somebody else. Now, Pradhan has also, my lord, took a resolution to that effect, and Pradhan has appointed one Amin. Now, Amin will measure the land in question. Thereafter, Pradhan will proceed with the matter. I had a talk with the Pradhan. Well, you have no business to that. Why did you enter into all this arena? The question is whether the unauthorized construction has been made or not.
It
He
is
said-
as simple as
Simple,
this.
as simple as that. That's why, my lord, there is some misunderstanding, my lord. I am praying for 7 days time, my lord. I am giving an assurance to your lordship, my lord, it will be compliant.
Very well. 7 days time is all right. But
this
then-
is an absolute misunderstanding. You kindly take this resolution.
Whatever. It is for you to guide your client.
Yes.
It is not for the court
I'm not-
to look into all these things.
I'm just on one thing. But so far as unauthorized construction is concerned, my lord, the permission was granted in the year 2012. I just requested him, my lord, to cite this and decide the matter.
No,
What
whatever is to be done, the court is not
Yes,
interested
my
in
lord.
that.
Kindly give me, my lord, 7 days time, my lord. I'm praying for unconditional apology, my lord. Kindly give me, my lord, 7 days.
And was there a direction for personal appearance? Why was he not present in response to the rule? You speak to him. Let him not directly communicate with the court. For no reason, they contest the election, they hold the post, and they do not know what to do. They only know and can see the color of the money.
Yes.
Apart from that, they know nothing. What does this person do? Inquire what is his occupation? Nothing. Nothing.
Common is there, cultivation.
Forget that. They do nothing. And this is the period for them to make money.
It will go on till 2nd.
Yes. He was not present. I directed the police
Yes, I know that.
to get hold of him. The police also,
My lord, on that effect.
Your lordship, I would like to say something.
My lord,
yes,
my lord, we have communicated to the Pradhan to come to attend the your lordship's court, my lord. We have ensured, my lord, but on that fateful day, my lord, there was an intelligence report that some agitation would be taken out. That's why by the Adivasis. That's why, my lord, for preventing breach of peace, my lord, he was heavily engaged in advance. My lord, he could not come before. She could come before your lordship's court.
wasn't it
Well, he-
his duty to communicate
No,
that this is the reason?
We have communicated it.
Your lordship,
Communicated to whom?
Pradhan,
You should have communicated to the court.
lordship, my lord, lordship.
How will the
Lord.
court know?
Your lordship.
Your communication
that was
between
his
Pradhan and the police is an internal communication. The
that-
court does not
That
get to
was
know
his
about
mistake,
it.
my lord. my lord,
Your lordship, I
Not
would like to say
mistake.
something.
he,
This
my lord,
is an
praised-
irresponsible behavior of the
he
police
praised, my
officer.
lord, your lordship's forgiveness, my lord, unqualified and
Your
unconditional.
lordship, I would like to say something, your lordship.
Yes,
It's
please.
quite relevant, lordship. 2 to 3 times I visited from Kolkata to I traveled from Kolkata to Sabong personally with intent to communicate the letter, my lord,
To whom?
to the OC.
To the OC.
Yes, OC completely harassed me. He kept me waiting for 6 to 7 hours. I was starving, your lordship. And whenever I was leaving the police station, the other police personnel says he is a ওনার শালা একজন তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের নেতা, উনি দেখা সাক্ষাৎ উনি হাইকোর্টকেও পুছেন না, সুপ্রিম কোর্টকেও পুছেন না, তুমি চলে যাও ভাই, দেখা করবে না।
My lord, all wild allegations, my lord.
Wild
Your-
allegations?
All wild allegations.
I do not
No, he
accept
can't say
this.
that. My lord, all
I
wild
do not
allegations.
accept this. An advocate is making this allegation. Try to understand. This is not the client.
Advocate has, my lord, listened.
You want the
Client
advocate.
told him, his client
Not
told
right.
him.
I personally
It is he
visited.
says he personally went over there. I'll take his affidavit and put your officer to jail. Let him understand what things are.
Lord,
I'll direct him to file an affidavit. If your police officer acts smart, the court is smarter than him.
Lord,
Nothing. Mr. Mitro, there must be limit to everything.
Lord, he praised
You
your
are
lordship's forgiveness, my lord. He'll praise
Forgiveness?
Lordship, my lord.
Is this the way he behaves with a learned advocate who's gone there to communicate the order of the court? And thrice this has happened? I'll take an affidavit from him and thereafter let him answer what is going to happen. লিখুন তো। What is the name of the police officer?
চঞ্চল সিংহ।
And which political leader will come to save him? I'll see.
Lord, my officer says, my lord, that incident wasn't happened. My lord.
That incident, the learned lawyer is lying.
My lord, he says. My lord,
Your police
CCTV
officer is lying.
footages-
He is a liar.
CCTV footages are there, my lord, that has been
CCTV
preserved.
footages are there.
Lord,
And CCTV footages are placed in such a manner that these incidents are not recorded over there. Don't show me. I know how CCTV footages are maintained.
Lordship,
You should know
lordship.
how much to open your mouth and where to open. ওনার নামটা একটু লিখে নেবেন। Such and such officer in charge, Shabong police station, is personally present in court. Stop. By order dated 29th of February 2024, the officer in charge was directed to ensure the presence of the Pradhan of the Gram Panchayat before this court on 21st March 2024. Stop. On 21st March 2024, neither the police officer nor the Pradhan was present. Stop. Next. Today, the police officer is present with the Pradhan of the Gram Panchayat. Stop. Next. Learned advocate representing the petitioner submits that he personally visited the police station on 3 occasions to communicate the order of the court. Stop. The officer in charge misbehaved with him and deliberately kept him waiting for nearly 7 hours. Stop. Next. Apart from the above, there are other allegations against the said police officer. Stop.
My lord,
Learned
there are
advocate
No such other
is
allegations, my lord. Just now he
directed
has,
to-
no such other allegations, my lord.
There are other allegations. The court has heard it. You can go and see the YouTube video. What are the allegations that he has made? I am not recording.
Lordship, lord.
Your lordship, there is possibilities of further harassment if I visited there.
I will see. Let us see who can harass whom.
Lord, your lordship only records my statement, my lord. My client is denying and disputing these.
I am not
allegations.
recording your statement. Your client will be entitled to file an
Lord, I am
opposition to
before a court of law, my lord.
whatever he's got to say, he can file an affidavit. Let it be decided upon affidavits.
Lord, only submission, my lord. My
Learned
client is
advocate-
denying and disputing these.
Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to file an affidavit disclosing the events which took place when he visited the Shabong police station to communicate the order of the court. Stop. Let such affidavit be prepared and handed over to the learned advocate representing the officer in charge, Shabung Police Station in court today by 16th of April 2024. Stop. The police, the concerned officer in charge, police na concerned officer in charge will be at liberty to file exception to the said affidavit
Disclose করবো।
by 24th April. List on 25th of April. Stop. Next, the personal appearance of the officer in charge is dispensed for the time being. Stop. Next, learned advocate representing the Pradhan of the Gram Panchayat seeks time to comply the order passed by the court. Stop. List on 25th April. Affidavit of compliance shall be circulated by 23rd April 2024.